Once again, Koiki Media will bring the world closer to your doorstep. I'm a street man that move. I'm always on the move. I'm always on emotion. Current situation of this country, Hawaii, country that is above 60 years of independence and still existing like country that just got independent or yet to record their independence. Still remain country where some uneducated fellow dictates for others. Still remain like a country that's supposed to be developed already, that is now undeveloped. That is the kind of situation that we have. Yeah, people are working, not that people are not working. People are working, not that people are not working. Some people could not even understand what Yoruba Nation is all about. It's not that Yoruba Nation is not because we are fighting Igbo or we are fighting Fulani or we are fighting even the British. Yoruba Nation is about having our own personal independence. Having independence for ourselves, that is what Yoruba is all about. For us to be able to take a decision by ourselves, or Yoruba, we Yoruba, we are ripe enough to be taking decision by ourselves. Decision that will favor us. The decision that will favor our community, whereby the money we generate inside our Yoruba land will be used to develop our land, not the one we will be using to develop someone else's building. Yoruba Nation only in this state yawa current situation of Nigeria only bí ojú ọ̀nà ṣe rí Nàìjíríà òun náà ni ẹ wò yìí. Èmi tí rí wọ́n mẹ́rin tẹ́lẹ̀. You can see. So, àkọ́kọ́, there's something that I came online to clear. If they are saying Koiki failed, but there won't be election. All of us believe that there will not be election because we don't believe in that election. And majority of so many people did not come out for that election. But still, they still reach what they want to reach. That is not election. Election that after the election, after the INEC declared the results, some still went to court. To go and do one thing or the other. That's the case is seen in court. That is not an election. The election should be fair and fair. That everything should be open for everybody. That when they see it, that this thing is happening, then they will be able to follow the instructions. Baba, báyìí ní kẹ́ lọ. Má bínú. So that is the kind of country that we said we want. Koiki ó sọ iye tó wu Koiki ní pé kí election má sí but election ti wà. Ẹ jẹ́ n sọ kankan fún yín, gbogbo wa a lè sùn ká kọjú síbì kan náà. Gbogbo wa bá kọjú síbi a sì máa rẹ́ni tó máa jarun pa tí ó máa face another side. Yes, a ní òní sí election ti wà. Election tó sì ti wà ẹjọ́ ṣé operation gan sí ni operation ti wà náà. Pressure ti wà báwo ṣe mọ sọ ma ní pressure ti wà. Pressure ti wà ń tòótọ́. Pressure ti wà. Pressure is everywhere. Pressure is everywhere. So many people also say that. They say that. Kí wọ́n ṣe pé torí pé election ti wá wà kí àwa wá ní àwa náà wá fẹ́ máa bá wọn ṣe kíní ẹ̀. No, we are still standing on our right, which is Yoruba nation. And even the country máa fine, everything máa lọ bó ṣe yẹ kó lọ. Síbẹ̀ náà, ẹ jẹ́ n sọ nǹkan fún yín, síbẹ̀ náà we still need to fight for our rights. Yes, we still need to fight for our rights. Kò sí bí bàbá ṣe tọ́ ọmọ tó ń fowó bàjẹ́ ó sì ní láti jáde fún right tiẹ̀ náà láti lè máa get owó fún rẹ̀ náà àti láti lè máa ṣe business tiẹ̀ náà àti láti ní family tó náà máa cater fún. Kì wá ṣe pé torí bàbá ẹ̀ ń fún ẹ lówó ó ń tọ́jú ẹ dáadáa ìwọ náà wá ní ẹ that's the best thing o lọ́lé ọkọ àbó lọ́lé kìíní. It's wrong. We still have to fight for it. And ìgbà tí Fúlàní wà lókè tá à ń jáde tó ń pa wá tẹni pé Fúlàní tó wà lókè ni o, then ọmọ wa ti wà lókè, Yorùbá nation Yorùbá wa ti wà lókè, then why tá lè continue láti mọ̀ pé yes ọmọ wa ló wà lókè tọmọ náà wọn náà bá ti wá ń pa wá ìyẹn lẹ́tọ́ àmọ̀ mọ̀ pé yes. Just that Yorùbá nation really restricted you. Bí ọ̀gá Ọláyẹmí ṣe máa ń sọ ní is a big elephant. Yes, Nigeria is a big elephant. Gbogbo wa máa ní láti máa bú ni. Gbogbo wa máa ní láti máa bú bá ṣe fẹ́ bú ni. Gbogbo wa ibẹ̀ ni. Gbogbo wa a máa ní láti máa bú títí tí Nàìjíríà máa fi down ni. Nàìjíríà gbọ́dọ̀ down kó tó di wípé nǹkan míì stand. Nípa àwọn èèyàn Koiki Media ò ráyè pẹ́ ní nǹkan láti máa fẹ́ ní bọ́dì lésì bọ̀ àwa àmọ̀dá yín náà yín tí ò yé yín ni ó pọ̀ ju tó yé yín lọ. Ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ one Nigerian tó bá wà bold láti ṣe live interview pẹ̀lú mi kémi àti ẹ kájọ dúró kájọ sọ and then send message sí Ọláyẹmí Koiki, then we'll be able to say it together. Àjọ máa lè jáde láti jọ sọ̀rọ̀ pókè this is this o nǹkan báyìí àjọ a máa ṣe debate yẹn then náwó ẹni tí ó win náwó ẹni tí ó answer fún ẹnìkan. Yorùbá nation is the best solution for us. Yorùbá nation ó ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ fún wa ní Nàìjíríà. Ó ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ fún wa ní Nàìjíríà. Kò sí ọ̀nà tó kàn mí pẹ̀lú ẹ Tinubu débẹ̀ àbí ò débẹ̀. My own is just Yorùbá nation and Koiki Media what we stand for is Yorùbá nation. Am I expect to support anybody? What we support is independent of Yorùbá nation. Nothing will come together with our Koiki Media àti Nigerian. That's why I'm praise Nigerian or I'm funny recommendation. We don't want it. So atuma was online because orí títí la wà yìí. Atuma was online very soon. Later, once again, Koiki Media we bring the work closer to your doorstep. Yorùbá nation is the solution for us, we Yoruba.